Hello everyone, my name is Nick and today I'm going to teach you an Instagram story hack in 60 seconds. Are you ready? Let's get into it. So today I'm going to teach you how to get that really cool gradient or like rainbow text for either tagging someone or just for text you're going to add to your stories. It's actually quite simple. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is obviously open up Instagram. You're going to go to the stories. Let's see what photo you want to add in. So I really like this photo, so I'm going to go with this. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to type in your text. It's LA, not KA. And then you're going to select all. And then what you're going to do is you're going to hold the color, whatever color you want to start out with, down, and then you're going to scrub over the text that you have. And boom, just like that, you could have that rainbow gradient text. And that's basically it. It's super simple, really easy. Go out and try it and tag me. I want to see what you come up with. All right, everyone. I'll see you next time.